Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the chaos parameter on MIdjourney. And it's quite simple. First of all, we just created a picture of a lion in Africa in the wild. This is the first picture, so no, it's pretty uncommon. Then what we need to do now is do slash and then do imagine and then paste the same prompt. And then we do dash dash chaos and then we do 1. So 1 is the first scale for that option and 100 is the maximum scale for that option. So now we do this prompt again and then we do dash dash chaos 100 and then we do enter. And then right now you have here the first option with the chaos parameter. So if you can see, it's not that different because with chaos he will create a lot or more different pictures for those 4. So if you can see, these are very uncommon. But if you go now to chaos 100, you can see that it's totally different. So 1 is the minimum, 100 is the max. And here you can play with the chaos parameter. But this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.